Hello dear student, hope you are fine and had a great week and you must have practiced the things that have been given to you last week. So without taking much time, let's begin with Bhumi Pranam. Last week, we have done a beautiful Kavitangi on Krishna, Lord Krishna. And what Kavitangi is a poem written about any of the god, goddess, whatever it's been a ritual to be followed in Kathak dance style. When a poem is written about anything and describing through the poem and describing through the dance, it's going to be called Kavitangi or Kavitya. Kavitangi, even I told that Kavitangi is that a poem is been added with a dance bowl, it will be called Kavitangi. And our Kavitangi, whatever we were learning, that is like Vrindavan ki kunj galin mein nachat kanhaiya tat tat thaiya bajit paila chum chum chanananana tigdha dig thai tigdha dig thai tigdha dig dha. So okay, we will be switching over to Kavitangi. After doing this, a bit warm-up session of Kathak, that is Tatkar with Hasta, Kramalaya Tatkar, followed by Tihai. So let's begin Tatkar. Dha, then, da, then, da, tit, na. Na, tit, then, double, da, then, da, then, da, na, then, na, tit, then, chagun, da, then, So I hope you have noticed that I have started with a pace and that speed was going till I was doing Chaugun in my Tatkar. So it is multiplying with the constant speed that was going 1, 2, 3, 4. But in the footsteps, I was doing under 1 beat, 2 beat I was dancing. On the 4th beat, under 1 beat, I was dancing. 4th beat, 4 beat I was dancing. So let's follow it again and do practice with me. 1, 2, 3, step. Da, then. This is the basic speed. Da, then. Da, tit, na. Then. Na, tit, then. Digun. Da, then. Da, then. Da, na. Na, tit, da, then, da, na, then, na, think, then, da. So this was entire Kramalaya Tatkar as it was increasing gradually, Egun, Dugun, Chagun. So this is called Kramalaya Tatkar and it was followed by Tihai. Since we were talking about Tihai, I hope you remember Tihai is a small excerpt or small part of bowl which is being repeated thrice within the stipulated time limit, that is right now we are following Tintal, that is 16 matra, and a portion, a small portion which is going to be repeated thrice altogether. It will be small piece of bowl. A small piece of bowl which is going to be repeated thrice is going to be called Tihai. So you are knowing this Tihai, and I would like to teach you another Tihai, that is Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha Tit Dha, Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha Tit Dha, Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha A Dha. I'm going to teach you a Tihai, a small piece which is going to be repeated thrice. So this is like this: Dha Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha Dha, Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha Dha Dha, Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha Dha Dha. So it has started with 1 Tite Karta Gadi Ghene, 1 2 Tite Karta Gadi Ghene, 1 2 3 Tite Karta Gadi Ghene. At the very end, 1 2 3. So this is a single piece which is to be danced or to be read or to be played thrice altogether. So this will be called Tihai. Let recall it once again. Dha Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha Dha Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha 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 Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha Dha Dha. फिर Dha Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha Dha Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha 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 Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha 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 Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha Dha Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha 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 Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha Dha Dha. So this Tite Karta Gadi Ghene, Tite Karta Gadi Ghene. There are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That means Ta The Theta, A The Theta. So we will be dancing in this portion Ta The Theta, A The Theta. So the very first thing is Dha. Dha Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha Dha Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha 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 Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha Dha Dha. 1 Tite Karta Gadi Ghene 1 2 Tite Karta Gadi Ghene 1 2 3 Tite Karta Gadi Ghene right. Dha Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha Dha Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha Dha Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha Dha Dha. So at the very end there is a variation. Only once you will have to clap at the very end. Dha Dha Dha. So upward Dha, then clap on 2 and you have to lift your leg up 2 and 3. So I hope the thing is clear. So let's perform it all together. Dha Dha Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha Dha Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha 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 Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha 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 Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha Dha Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha 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 Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha 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 Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha Dha Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha 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 Tite Karta Gadi Ghene Dha Dha So for the perfection, we can do it once more. Let's do it. So leave it the hand movement. Don't do it. So just we'll be putting on the focus on dha. All dha. So dha, tike, kata, gadi, gen, dha, dha. 1, 2, tike, kata, gadi, gen. 1, 2, 3, tike, kata, gadi, gen. 1, yeah, dha, dha, tike, kata, gadi, gen. Da, da, tike, kata, gadi, gen. Da, da, tike, kata, gadi, gen. Da, 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 tike, kata, gadi, gen. Da, da, da. So this was the high. You must practice. This is a beautiful footwork and having a very something very tricky to follow. 1, 2, 3. Very interesting. There. Now let's switch over whatever we have done last week, just to recall and just to practice more. That is Kavitangi. Kavitangi was Brindavan ki kunj galin mein nachit kanhaiya tat tat thaiya बाजत पायेला चुम चुम छाना ना 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 टिक धा दिग दिग थे टिक धा दिग दिग थे टिक धा दिग दिग धा. So this is an explanation of Krishna. It's talking about Krishna कि कैसे कैसे वृंदावन की गली गली में वो घूमते हैं, नाचते हैं, and he is our Lord. And he is so beautiful. So it is all about Krishna. So we are doing the very first thing da da din din da din din na din din da. ये दिखाए थे और बांसुरी दिखाते हुए घूम गए थे. याद है? सारे सबको दिखाए थे वृंदावन da din din da na din din na din din da da din da na din na din din da. Done. Now Vrindavan ki kunja galina mein. Okay, again 3 step. Vrindavan ki kunja galina mein nachit kanhaiya nachit kanhaiya बाजत पायेला चुम चुम छाना ना 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 टिक धा दिग दिग थे टिक धा दिग दिग थे टिक धा दिग दिग धा. This is your peacock feather. Here we are using mudra. That last episode you have learned about mudra. See, Mayura we are using as a peacock feather, and this is Aral, and we are using as a Bansuri. And here, left leg at the back cross, we need to stand as Krishna. So, after tadha, then na, da, then na, then na, tit, then da, da. So, this is the entire presentation of Kavitangi. Again, in a detail, da din din da na din na din da da din da. That time, first time only flute you have to hold. Clear? Da din da na din na din da da din da na din na din da. Then Vrindavan ki, एक हाथ से भी दिखा सकते हैं, वृंदावन की कुंज गलीन में. Clear? Since the very first time we are showing with both the hands, so during Vrindavan ki we can stretch our only right hand. Vrindavan ki kunj गलीन में नाचत कन्हैया tat tat thaiya. This way. So let's let's begin. 3 steps. Da din da, din din da, din din da, da din da, din din da na, din na, din din. Vrindavan ke kunj gali me naachte kanhaiya, tat tat thaiya, baajte paayega chup chup chanana, tik dha tik dik tik, tik dha tik dik tik, tik dha tik dik dha. Then nanna, nanna, din din da, da din da, nanna na din na, da din na, nanna na din na, da din da. So this was the performance. That without any kind of hassle, a smooth performance has to be there with all kind of expressions that you can create to connect for the audience as audience are watching you. A minute detailing of movements to be done in Kavitangi, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is and Vrindavan ki. Just we are going back. Dha, then da. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right, left. Vrindavani ki 3 step. Vrindavani ki kunj galina mein. This is a narrow path, and you have to show everyone that way. Okay? Kunj galina mein nachte kanhaiya. Jump. There you have to show as Krishna. Nachte. 2, 3 step. Nachte kanhaiya. Rather you use both of your hands, it will be easier to do this thing. Nachte kanhaiya. Ta thai tat. The way you do your first hastak, so both the hand you will be doing your first hastak. Nachte kanhaiya, tat tat thaiya. Again do this nachte kanhaiya, tat tat thaiya. Again nachte kanhaiya. This one, tat thaiya, baj paela, chum chana na. यहीं से उठाना है, कॉर्नर से फर्स्ट इधर टिक धा दिगे टिक धा दिगे टिक धा दिगे धा. So is this clear? Chum chana na टिक धा दिगे टिक धा दिगे टिक धा दिगे धा. So this was a beautiful explanation of Kavitangi. Since this is a known fact that Kathak is totally based on footwork, hastak, hand movement, and chakra. So here I would like to give a bowl. Or here I would like to tell you one Chakrathoda tat 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 tat. tat tat te, tat 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 tita ati tita tat tat e, tat tat do, tat tat tin, tat tat. So this way, just like Tihai, but this is having an importance of taking chakkars. The very first time, tat tat tati tita ati tita, single chakkar. Then next, chakkar increases. Chakkar always it's increasing like tat tat tati tita ati tita tat tat tati tita ati tita tat tat te, tat tat tati tita ati tita tat tat te, tat tat te, tat tat tati tita ati tita tat tat te, tat tat te, tat tat te, tat tat tati tita ati tita tat tat one, tat tat tati tita ati tita tat tat one, tat tat two, tat tat tati tita ati tita tat tat one, tat tat two, tat tat three, e, tat tat tati tita ati tita tat tat one, tat tat tati tita ati tita tat tat one, tat tat two, tat tat tati tita ati tita tat tat one, tat tat two, tat tat dha. So after each part there is a gap. But this bowl has to be practiced regularly so that your skills of chakkar would polished. 3 step, tat tat tati tita tati tita tat tat one, tat tat tati tita tati tita tat tat one, tat tat two, tat tat tati tita tati tita tat tat one, tat tat two, tat tat three, tat tat tati tita tati tita tat tat one, tat tat tati tita tati tita tat tat one, tat tat two, tat tat tati tita tati tita tat 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 two, three, tat tat tati tita tati tita tat tat one, tat tat tati tita tati tita one, two, tati tita tati tita tat one, two, tat tat da. This was entire bowl, but you can practice in a various speed. For taking a faster chakkar, you can go for a various speed, like this way. But I will be doing this thing without reading out the bowl. Da, nanda, 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 nanda. So, this is the speed that you need to acquire. And in this bowl, your hastak, your positioning, it's get clarified. So today, for this entire class, for this entire session, we could revise many of the topic, and I hope you have enjoyed the class as I have enjoyed too. So keep practicing whatever I have taught you. In the coming week, I'll be coming with more of something new. So today also I have given a new Tihai, and you have practiced Kavitangi, and equally for the chakkar you have to practice this Chakradhar Tukda. So for today, this is enough for today. I hope you will be having a good practice of these things. Till then, have a good week ahead. Have a good week ahead. Till then, have a good week ahead. Stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye bye.